Are you ready to make 2022 your best year ever in real estate? Hi, I'm Eric Lowry with the Lowry team and eXp Realty, and if you are in fact ready to make 2022 your best year ever, I'd love to invite you to attend a business building workshop that I'm doing on February 17th here in Cincinnati, Blue Ash, the Firehouse Grill. It's going to be from about 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And we're going to tackle some topics that are really centered on building the very best real estate business you can have. We're going to talk about lead generation. We're going to talk about lead conversion. We're going to talk about buyer listing presentations. We're going to cover transaction management. I'm going to have a special guest to help me along with that conversation. We're going to talk about online reviews, getting them. Where's the best place to have them? We're going to talk about personal development, and then at the very end, we're going to talk about bringing it all together. What do we do next, and how to get into action and make things happen. So I'd love for you to attend. You're finding this either, there's a link below or a link above. The website to register is 2022-bestyearever.com. I hope to see you there.